Welcome to Module BD7, Networking with a Purpose, Not Pressure. Networking does not require you to work the room or collect as many contacts as possible. A useful event can begin with one clear purpose and 2 or 3 meaningful conversations. In this lesson, you will prepare for one networking opportunity without pressure. The goal is connection, not performance. Networking feels draining when you attend without knowing why you are there. You may talk to many people, but leave without a useful next step. Before attending, decide what would make the event worthwhile. You may want to meet a referral partner, learn about a local need, reconnect with someone, or identify a future collaborator. One purpose is enough. Prepare 3 things before the event: a short explanation of who you help and the problem you solve, 2 questions that help you learn about the other person, 1 useful way you can follow up after the conversation. This preparation reduces the need to improvise under pressure. It also keeps the conversation focused on mutual usefulness. Use this simple event rhythm. Arrive with your purpose in mind. Have 2 or 3 conversations instead of trying to meet everyone. Listen for a real point of connection. Before the conversation ends, agree on a next step only when it makes sense. Write a short note after each conversation so you remember the context. The value of networking often appears after the event. Send a short follow-up within 1 or 2 business days. Reference the conversation and complete any promise you made. Do not send the same sales message to everyone you met. A useful follow-up should make the person feel remembered, not processed. Now complete the purposeful networking plan. Pause the video if you need more time. Choose one event, meeting, or community gathering. Write your purpose, the people or roles you hope to meet, 2 questions, and 1 useful follow-up idea. After the event, record each meaningful conversation and the agreed next step. Complete the first follow-up within 48 hours. Purposeful networking creates fewer but stronger relationship opportunities. When the purpose, notes, and follow-up are visible, another person can help manage the process without replacing your voice. That is how networking can support founder freedom. Complete the plan, attend with one purpose, and record the next steps before moving forward.